Today, I'm going to be applying Rodan and Field's Enhancements Lash Boost. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see closer to the eye. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to open up the container, pull out the swab, and then go close. And when I'm applying it, I'm not applying it on the eyelash. I'm applying it on the lid just before the eyelash, making sure not to get any lash boost into the eye. I'm just going to go around just like that. And then I'm going to take this swab and go on the lower eyelid, avoiding getting into the eye. And that's applying the lash boost.